Being safe. This lesson is about safety awareness. Children, where do you go during your summer holidays? Mostly many will go to the native places. Some like to go on a vacation, etc. Here a boy named Prasant lived with his parents in Tiruchirappalli. Have you all ever visited Tiruchirappalli? Come, let's move on to the lesson. Prasant lived with his parents in Tiruchirappalli. In summer, he always visits his grandparents in Nagathi, a river island in Tanjavur district. The river bifurcates into two and merges again and forms this village. Here bifurcates means divide into two separate parts. The village is always evergreen with huge trees and landscapes. Prasant always spends his vacation there with his grandfather and his friends. His grandfather was a retired central government employee. As he travelled to many parts of India, his knowledge amused Prasant. He came to visit his grandfather just then. His friends came home to play with him. Prasant's grandfather gave them some instructions and tips for their safety. Prasant's friends decided to play in the field. So they asked permission from Prasant's grandfather to take him to the fields to play. So his grandfather gave them permission to play but warned them to be careful while walking on the road. They should walk on the right hand side of the road against the traffic so that you can see the vehicles coming. How do you cross the road? While crossing the road, we should first look right, left and then again right. We should never use a cell phone while crossing or walking on the road. Road safety rules are for our safety. We should follow it strictly. So from this you can understand how we should cross the road. Now Prasant joins the conversation between his grandfather and his friends. Children, usually where do you play? We will play inside a house or a shady place. Here Prasant's friend told him that they have come to play under the shade of the big neem tree. Grandfather warned them to be careful as the sun is extremely hot. One of his friend Mani informed grandfather that his mother had told him not to roam in the hot sun between 10 am to 3 pm as it is very hot outside. Prasant's grandfather also instructed them to apply sunscreen for 15 to 20 minutes before going out to avoid sunburn. Due to heat, they may also get sunstroke when the body cannot cool itself fast. What is sunstroke? Sunstroke means due to heat we become unconscious. Now Prasant asked his grandfather what are the safety measures to be followed for sunstroke. Grandfather replied that one should get help from an adult if he is feeling hot, has a headache, feeling giddy or nauseated. Nauseated means stomach turning or vomiting. He also advised them to be street smart when they go out to play. What is street smart? Street smart means the knowledge about the dangers they face in the streets. Prasant's friend Ravi asked grandfather about the safety measures to be practiced at home. Grandfather told them that they should learn to put things back in their respective places after using them. They should not play with knives and scissors. During the conversation, Prasant's grandfather got a call on his mobile. Prasant's friend Ravi said, "I think it's your old friend Grandpa. It was a nice phone. He bought it from Chennai last week." Now grandfather told them about the safety measures to be followed while using the internet. Mobile phones are very useful, but we should use it with care. He asked them not to post their personal information, photos, vacation plans, etc. in the social media. He also told them about the fertilizers and poisonous items should be kept away from children in a safe place in their homes. All the medicine should be stored out of sight and reach of children. Even grandfather advised them that medicine should be stored in their original containers. Medicines, dangerous automotive and gardening products should be secured and kept locked. Do you know what is first aid kit? Hope you all know it is nothing but a box which contains tablets, bandage, Dettol, etc. to be given to an injured person. A first aid kit is a must in every household. It should also have an emergency instruction inside it. Now the conversation between the grandfather and the children ends. The children thanked grandfather for guiding them and giving his valuable advice on safety awareness. I conclude this lesson that your safety is your personal responsibilities. Always follow the correct procedures, like when you walk on the road, play on the street under sun, when you connect yourself in internet, and handling the poisonous items like medicines and fertilizers, and the importance of first aid kit at every home. I hope you all have understood the lesson. Thank you.